Okay guys, helping you make sense out of the new Ecuador healthcare laws. Thanks for coming with me today on this amazing and exciting journey.
Hold on, girl, now wait just a minute. I've got something to say.
Let's talk about this. The RAM magazines are jumping on the bandwagon. Cuenca High Life. This is a local expat magazine. The major news outlets such as CNBC are saying healthcare in Ecuador just got a whole lot easier. International Living is saying health insurance is a bargain in Ecuador. These are the top results in Google for Ecuador and healthcare. It says healthcare and health insurance in Ecuador, big improvements. Everything sounds so positive. Public health insurance in Ecuador, full coverage for $70 a month, right here. Huffington Post, another international magazine that the RAM magazines use to do their pumping on. Healthcare in Ecuador, sober look. Okay, so there's a whole lot of stuff on here.
Kitty, come get in your house. Come on. Come get in your house. Come on.
I'm happy to make time for your feelings.
Go get in your house.
Have to admit, I already
Go on. That's not your house.
down to you and me uptown.
Kitty, come on, let's get in our house.
Around till the disco ball pops, but I have to be me, and everyone can see your anger is misplaced, and I'm gonna tell you.
Compulsory means that whether you want it or not, it's the law, you got to get it. It has been said that the reason Ecuador has passed compulsory health insurance for all, it might seem that all expats want it since a large percentage of the foreigners that come here have ill health, and it has been said that they have put a strain on the healthcare. But here's what I want to show you, okay? Right here we have a chart that shows the amount of tourism in Ecuador, and it says that the last couple of years Ecuador has received roughly 1.5 million tourists per year. And here's the crux of the matter. 1.5 million right here tourists times, let's just say, an arbitrary fee of $20. If you charged every tourist a healthcare fee of $20, it would equal $30 million a year. $30 million a year to help a bankrupt healthcare system. Okay? Whereas right now, let's just take some figures just to make a point here. 20,000, let's say there's 20,000 foreign residents. I don't think there's 20,000 foreign residents. The city of Cuenca says there's 10,000 foreign residents in Cuenca, and that's where most of the expats are. So if we just double that, that's how we got 20,000. So we're being very liberal here. Times $100, we've just seen an article that said $70 a month. Well, let's just make it liberal and make it $100 a month average, and that's just an average. And for 20,000 resident expats, that would be, wow, a whole $2 million. Well, that is per month, and so that would be $24 million a year. So we see that even being liberal with the figures, it's still $6 million less than if you just simply charge 1.5 million tourists $20 a piece. You know, you're looking at 6 million, which is you know, it's almost what, 25% more money just charging tourists $20.
I have to be me 24/7, and I ain't never gonna stop. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no, no, no. No, oh, oh, oh. And I ain't never gonna stop.
you know, I'm just not sure that antagonizing your local residents and chasing them down and forcing them to get, you know, insurance that maybe they want and maybe they don't want, or making them, you know, it's just, I'm not so sure that that's the best way to go about it, you know, antagonizing your long-term local residents, especially extremely unfair to those that are on a small income. Now, I understand a lot of them want it and a lot of them are not on a small income, but that's not what we're talking about when clearly there is a whole lot of options here when you can just charge a measly $20 to every tourist, which would simply be seen as a very slight inconvenience, and most tourists would probably not even complain because they understand that they're just visiting, and if they get hurt, the $20 is going to cover their hospital stay. So there you have it, the dollars and cents of it all. You know, everybody's got an opinion, and it has been said that figures don't lie, and there they are. Figures don't lie. Thanks for listening, and I appreciate you watching the video.
I hope you're comfortable.
He's like, why do you do that? Why do you do that?
Then you could call Ecuador a free country, and it would actually be correct.